All right, brother. Definitely great to have you on my show. The opportunity to have a couple of, great conversations, which is definitely like something that is going to be amazing. Definitely. So I,
Definitely.
I just can't wait. And part of the reason is because we always just it's a purpose for our conversations. You know what I'm saying? We're not just talking about the new trendy shoes or, you know what I'm saying, who's the hottest rapper right now. And not to say that that information isn't important in some aspect, but we're trying to cover some better things. You know what I'm saying? So
Yeah.
definitely happy to have you on, man. This financial literacy, you know what I'm saying? Platform podcast, still trying to form it, but it's definitely, Mr. Prophet 369. I'm with my brother. Said.
Hey,
Said what you
peace,
going
peace.
what you going by in the metaverse, Said. What's your metaverse?
All the metaverse coins out there.
Yeah. Well, in a sense, like we on the internet right now, so I feel like
Oh
we in the
yeah,
meta right now. You know what I'm
true
saying?
man, true man. Conscious said, man. Appreciate being on here.
Conscious said, that's what's up, man. I like that. I like that. I like that. Well, let's get into it, brother. Yeah, definitely. We talking about the crypto. I know you was talking to me earlier. You brought up one, and I'm just trying to see, pick your brain because I know you're intelligent. See if you watching any other cryptos or anything like that.
Um, Definitely been checking out render token. It's a lot. I feel like it's a new one every day to look at on definitely crypto.com for the people. Crypto.com definitely got new ones every other day, most likely.
Hmm. So let's look at it. Then you say it's called render.
Called render.
Yeah, let's look at it. Hmm. I was looking at it earlier. Okay. All right, perfect. So what's going on? And it's render token.
Render token.
Okay. All right. So what we're looking at, we rank 228th. We on 64,000 watch list. Okay. All right. Looks like it's a ERC20 token. It's on the Ethereum networks contracted by. So price right now 286. All
Mm.
right. All right. Low, high of 335. Okay. All right. All right. What what brought this to your attention or who brought this to your attention? Ha ha ha.
Definitely. I seen once again, yeah, on the top gainers list on crypto.com. Checked it out, pulled it back 6 months. 6 months before. Seeing to see the boost and see if it's worth checking out. So yeah, I seen it went up. It was up 300% 6 months ago. So I was like, I think it was a worthy to check out. So I think it got potential, but I definitely see the ups and downs. But yeah, the chart last year definitely. If we knew about it, let's see about 2020. If we knew about it in 2020, we definitely could have, you know, definitely would have benefited. Looked like November or around October 2021. So
Oh yeah,
yeah,
definitely. I mean, it was definitely at pennies. Right now to be at $2 is definitely amazing. I do see because of this going kind of straight up that it's gonna it may have to correct itself and
yeah,
possibly come all the way back down to at least maybe like $1.42 or so, or maybe even like $1 or so, 99 cents, just to kind of correct itself with all that volatility. But yeah, that's dope. So what's the utility on it again?
utility of it,
Yeah, just kind of meaning like what does it do? What is it connected with? You know what I'm saying?
like
Is it
Ethereum.
right like 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 Sheba? its utility is that it has the Shiba swap now, so people can buy and sell Shiba, of course, and they can stake or bury or dig, whatever. You know what I'm saying? Yield farming. It has a couple of things going on, and you have to use that particular coin to do all those particular things. So that's how it has a use case now, because a website or a swap has been created around it in a sense. So that's why I was asking you about this right here. Like, what does it do? What is its purpose? Oh, this looks like this. Let's
Yeah,
see.
DUP rendering network is built on the top. Ethereum. Yeah, yeah. Let me see. It's
Yeah, it
all
looks
about the blockchain. Okay.
yeah, aiming to connect artists and studios and a need to GPU compute power with mining partners willing to rent their GPU capabilities out. Conceived in 2009 by OTOY Incorporated CEO Jules Urbic and launched in 2017. Render held its first public token sale in October of the same year, followed by a private sale period lasting from January 2018 to May 2018. Wherein a total of, what is that, 117 million render were sold at a price of one render equaling 25 cent. Damn,
Mm.
at 25 cent, you could have got 100 of them. USDT equivalent of token during the private sale period, right? The private sale period. I just had a good buddy who's been trying to get me onto that as far as like being able to buy some coins before they get listed and stuff like that.
Mm.
So I don't know, yeah. So let's see. During the private sale period, early adopters were on board onto the Render beta testnet, where beta node operators and artists worked collaboratively with the Render team in building and testing the network up until its public launch on April the 27th, 2020. So, okay.
Mm.
Right. So just trying to see, like, because in a sense, anybody and everybody who knows how to, computer program can create a coin.
Oh yeah, exactly.
Right. So it's not saying that it has a purpose or utility, you know what I'm saying, behind it, that's gonna, and to keep it simple, basically allow us to make some money off of it, because it's gonna eventually go up, you know? So all right, that's what's up. I like this one right here though. Do a little
Yeah.
bit more research on it and the price.
Another
And
one. Another one I've been checking out. Data Fuel. I've been checking
oh
out.
yeah.
I think that one's definitely important for the
The
people. Yeah.
there's a young lady that's in the roundtable group with us. She's always talking about Theta, and also Theta Fuel. So I may get me some Theta Fuel, because Theta's a little bit higher.
Mm.
Um, but yeah, this isn't a bad price right here, 18 cents. And okay, and as you
Rank
can see,
88. Okay, yeah.
yeah, what is that? 88. That's not bad. And then as you can see, it doesn't have a contract, so that means it's on its own standalone network in a sense. You know what I'm saying?
Mm.
Right. Which means they could probably also start building things on top of it.
Mm.
Yeah. So yeah, it's kind of it's in a sense doing what everybody else doing, going down, because
You
everybody else
see,
went up. So what, it went to a high, it
2020.
went to, it went to 57 cents.
What was the low? See, oh man, yeah, definitely.
A penny. But it looks like, because it just took off and went straight up, it looked like it may come back down to at least about 4 cent, 3 cent. Mm, that's gonna be a nice one to get back in for those particular prices. You know what I'm saying?
Definitely.
That's gonna be amazing. Yeah. Cause I think Theta needs Theta Fuel to move. So every time theta is moved, theta fuel is being burnt or spent or something like that, to where it's either making it scarce or it's making it to where it's more valuable. So I'm definitely on board with that. It's like VeChain and VeThor. VeThor is
Oh
supposed
yeah,
to be gas
Vitor,
for.
yeah.
Yeah, VeThor, as a matter of fact, is also going to be going down to a really, really nice price. Let me show you something real quick, being that we got it up. VeThor, like right now, it's at 0.0048. Like, so right now, basically 4,800, 4,853 will get you a million of them.
Yeah.
Right. And you're like, okay, well, what does that mean? All right, boom. Let's mathematically see what it means. Mathematically see what it means. See what it means. Okay, so boom.
Maddox, Mighty Most Def. Let me see.
All right, so we know that VeThor hit a high of shit. That's 20. Okay. That's 2 cents 8. So all right, so boom. We bought a million VeThor for 4,800. And now once that million VeThor hits a price value of 2 cent 8, boom, 28,000.
Mm.
And you invest it as of right now. Right. So actual gain will be 23,000, you know, and that's just on the 5,000. You know what I'm saying? Which in my opinion, I will hold on to it and not sell it even when it goes there. Maybe because depending on if they're allowing you to stake, let me check. But if they're allowing you to stake, then that's dope. But if not, still the 28 or the 23 flip is amazing.
Mm.
You see what I'm saying?
Definitely.
And then in a sense, if say like you're gonna do it to, you know, you're gonna try and sell again when it comes up to its all-time high, and then when it works its way down again, buy right back in with that 23,000. You get to buy back in with that 23, right? You know what I'm saying? You may be able to double or triple and go to 3 million on the buyback when it goes back down to retrace. Right. Yeah. Yes, sir. That's definitely the game.
It's another one called Badger Doe. If I said that right. Badger DAO. Um
Is that right here? This one
yeah.
right here. $15.71.
Mm.
Okay. So it looks like with ERC20 right here with the contracts, right here saying Ethereum. Okay. Ranked 199. Okay.
It's got me some Theta Fuel right now, man. For the people, man. Go there, it's T Fuel, you know what I'm saying, for the people, you know. Yeah.
Oh, Theta Fuel is the ticker.
Yep.
Yep. Yep.
T Fuel, yep.
Yep.
So Badger, I think I pulled it back a couple months ago. It was up like 88%. Look like so
Mhm. Well, definitely. I mean, at one point in time, it was at um, around
80,
$83.
man.
Yeah. So um, just got to check and see. See how you see at my mouse, it gives me the crosshairs or the cross lines, right?
Yeah,
And it's really good because what you're just trying to do is you're trying to see like see right here where it just jumped up.
yeah,
It has to come and correct itself and come all the way back down to at least here. See what I'm
gotcha.
saying? And as you can see now that I put it right here, because I'm saying it has to come right here to correct all of this right here. If we now look all the way over and I keep the line straight, look what's bouncing off of that same spot. See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Over here. And that's just how it works. So I don't know if this right here is going to have to be corrected. If it is, then it may dip down and bounce and hit right here. And then after that, bounce up. I would have to see it maybe on a better chart. But
Mm.
as of right now, yeah. So, but if it gets down that low, you're talking about $9, $9.50 or so, $10 or so. That'll be real good for something that went up to, like you say, 80 something bucks. That's definitely not bad. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's another one, Helium. I noticed a couple months ago, about 6 months ago, once again, it was up plus 100%, you know. So Helium. And then I also heard about I think it's one called Polygon.
Oh
I
yeah, man.
I think yeah,
Yeah,
I think you
got
can
me
get
some of
that
that.
via
Yes.
crypto wallet or something like that. Have you tried crypto wallet yet?
Crypto. You mean
Coinbase wallet. Coinbase wallet.
no, I still haven't gotten on Coinbase. Me and Coinbase, we just don't get along. I don't know what it is, you know. But um I haven't. I'm normally on crypto.com, Uphold, Voyager, BitTrue, just all kind of different little ones out there and whatnot. But no Coinbase for some reason.
Mm.
Yeah, it just is what it is. But what you saying? You can find this one on Coinbase?
Yeah, you can find this one on actually I found it. It's on crypto.com. It's probably on Coinbase as
Oh,
well.
okay, yeah, crypto.com, yeah.
I
I
was
mean that
mentioning
one.
I think I mentioned Polygon because I noticed you can't buy it on Coinbase, but it connects it to Coinbase wallet. And
Oh yeah, I got me some of this. Yeah, it's on Ethereum though. Yep. Mm-hmm.
I think it's one called Hexagon. I think is that's the other one I was thinking about. It's all purple. It's a lot of purple crypto out there. So I'm lost in purple, man. It's a lot of purple crypto out there. I think it's called Hexagon. Yeah, or Hex. Yeah.
Yeah. No, it's definitely like here we go. Just Coin Market Cap is listing 17,000 of them,
Man.
and that's not any early ones. You know what I'm saying? So, like, that's the part where okay, um, we have to put the buyer beware because we are talking about new coins.
Oh
Make
yeah.
sure you do your due diligence as an individual and look for utility. If a person is asking, well, hey, what do I look for when it comes to a cryptocurrency? In my opinion, look for utility. What does this coin do? What purpose does it serve? And is that purpose that is serving something that's going to continue to need to be done to where this particular coin or whatever coin can constantly have money coming into it? So, of course, your investment can make money. So just be careful because all of them, in a sense, it's one of those things. But go ahead, brother. Yeah, this is the Hex.
Yep. Hex. Yep.
Okay, boom, perfect. Rank 201. All right. 21 cent right now. You like this one right here?
Yeah, I heard about it. I seen like charts about it, and I seen that it like the percent wise like plus 1,000%. That's
Right.
looked like it went up around probably around December. Looked like.
Mm-hmm. So yeah, it's not bad. 21. So it look like it may come down definitely to probably around by I would say it'll definitely come down and try to touch this
Looked like
44 cents.
the high was about 48 cents. Yeah.
Yep. But it's
Yep.
gotta come back down though.
Mm,
Looks
okay.
like so maybe 15 cents. And I don't know, this right here. This 8 cents could come all the way back down to 8 cents. So just be careful or scale in. So you already know. But that's good though. That's not still not a bad price. It's pennies. You know what I'm saying? It's just, yeah, as you can see me, I'm always looking for these where it gets volatile,
Yeah,
where it gets volatile. And that's because, right, great example. Volatility on one side creates volatility on the other side. See what I'm saying?
yeah,
Literally went up and now came all the way back down. So because there was still some volatility right here and it doesn't look like it has fully corrected itself, and possibly over here also, it has the possibility to come all the way back down to these areas also because it has not fully corrected itself. See what I'm saying? This volatility right here to this volatility has corrected itself. So this is good. But you have this volatility right here, and it only corrected itself to right here, not all the way back down to here or even right here. See what I'm
yeah.
saying? And it's the
And,
same right here. So,
do you think long term? Because I feel like it's probably a smart idea to invest in Coinbase, just the stock. What's your thoughts on the long term of Coinbase, the stock? Because I feel like it could be beneficial long term to just stack up and see how it goes in the next 5 years, 10 years from now. What you
oh, of
think?
course, I mean, like it's the bank. It's one of the biggest American cryptocurrency sites that's out there. So, you know, it's not gonna fail.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying? Just to be honest, it's too much money behind it. So, in my opinion, so
Yeah.
as we go down, oh yeah, yeah. So yeah, it definitely hit a high when it first um, IPO'd at like one like 429, whatever. Even though it came back up to here, 357 has worked its way all the way down. And that's what I was saying. This is volatility. Once you understand the volatility, what happens is when you see this and you don't get an opportunity to really get into there to make money, what you do is be like, all right, cool. I'm just gonna wait for it to come all the way back down here. And that's what it did. You see what I'm saying? And that's the thing I want people to understand to allow that patience to be created. You know what I'm saying? Hold on to the money. Keep stacking it and putting it to the side. Yeah, you can scale in at all these different points. You can. I'm not saying that you can't. But if you had the patience to understand that if it goes up, it must come down, let me just wait for it to come down, even as it's doing this, because it's going to do this, kind of fake you out with this green right here, make it look like it's going back up. It's not, it's coming
Yeah.
down.
Get
Fake
some
you up.
red. Yep.
Right. Fake you up again. Fake you out again with
Pump
this little
fake.
green right here. No, it's not going
Hit you
up.
with the hezzy.
Right. This is a hezzy, pump fake. You know what I'm saying? Head fake. You know what I'm saying? Right. Big dog, hezzy fake, pump. You know what I'm saying? To come all the way back down. And that's just because of over here. The market is a buying and selling market. And both must be done, in my opinion, on damn near every price of value over here. See what I'm saying? However,
Definitely.
whatever price of value is over here, it must be able to be bought and be sold. You know what I'm saying? If it's just being bought and nobody's selling it as it's being bought evenly to balance it, it's just gonna go straight up. Money's only going into nobody's selling right now. So
Yeah.
what's gonna happen is can't continue to happen. People won't just continue to keep just putting money in there. Eventually they're gonna say, well, this was all I intended to spend on there, and the money runs out, and now they're looking for their investment to make money. You know what I'm saying? So it's gonna just happen. And once we understand that, we get better prices. We get more out of our money. See what I'm saying? And I think that's really, really big to understand that, like, it literally went up green and had one, two, three different areas of green, I mean, of red, and then came down and just had one, two, three areas of red, of green. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's doing the same thing. Once you understand that it's doing the same thing, just not identically to where it's just like totally obvious, then you'll understand and get it. Meaning, like, if I was to just part this down the middle like this, you know what I'm saying, for a person to be like, okay, boom, what's happening on this side is also happening on this side. See what I'm saying?
Exactly.
What's happening on this side right here, boop, boop, it's happening on this side, boop, boop.
Mirror. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So once a person gets into it and they understand that, then they just wait. They just wait. And then if you look from here all the way to here, this is the middle for it. See what I'm saying?
Mm.
Nothing but red. Now this is more green in the sense going up. See what I'm saying? But this is how you kind of, in a sense, look at it and look for those patterns, because when we talk about the patterns, all of them have a mirroring pattern, a pattern that goes up and a pattern that goes down. You know
Exactly.
what I'm saying? So,
Yeah.
no,
Some
that's
some
dope.
some charts are worse than others.
Yeah, yeah, no, definitely. Like,
Like,
the
man, it's
chart that they,
always zigzagging. Damn.
yeah, yeah, this one
It's
right
like,
here, like, I like Coin Market Cap for the information, but even they use tradingview.com for their own charts. And of course, that's where I went to also. I just went to the actual site, is better. So, but
uh,
only, yeah, so, but no, man, that little piece right there can just really save you a lot of money. And now on the flip side, compound your money so much, because you'll find yourself not buying in between here anymore or buying up here anymore. You're
yeah.
buying in here, you're buying here, you're buying here, you're buying at the bottom, or you're buying over here, you're buying over, you know what I'm saying? Because you understand, oh shit, this thing got to come back down. Let me just wait. Let
Yeah.
me be patient.
I know the people ain't, they see Ethereum, they see Bitcoin at 40,000, Ethereum at 3,000. What's your thoughts on Sheep, number 7? I love number 7,
Uh,
Selena, yeah, man. And
right. Well, that's the beauty thing about this market right now. It's still being rigged by the Fed. Hence the reason why when you look over here at all the little patterns that they're showing, that looks the same.
similar
Those look
pattern,
the
exactly.
same. That
Yeah.
looks very similar to this. You feel what I'm saying? That looks like that.
Dang,
This is a
7 to
different version.
7 to 12.
Right. This
Like
is a
7 to
different
10,
version of
7 to
that.
8.
Like, this is the
Yeah.
same. These are the same. Like, come on. Like, let's,
Moner,
like,
yeah.
we have to pay attention to this. Like, these are totally different assets and different coins with totally different 24-hour change and 7-day change and different market caps and different volume and different circulation, but they're moving very similar.
Mm.
See what I'm saying? Like, you have to pay attention to that. And once you pay attention to that, you be like, oh, okay, I understand the game. See what I'm saying? And
This,
that's it. Just understanding the game and understanding how to play it. So with me, I understand, like, it's in a down. Everything is in a downtrend. I look over here, this is pretty much the top 30 or so coins, give or take. You know what I'm saying? Some other ones sprinkled in that I kind of like. That's my favorite. But as you can see, like, it's pretty much red over here. There's some little sprinkle of green here and there, but it's pretty much red. So when you see that, like, you know what time it is. It's the market. So the market's still right now on the downtrend. And just sitting back being patient,
yeah.
sitting back being patient. Like, it just all depends. Let me see what Bitcoin and my guesstimation, as they would say,
Mm.
you know.
And then the all-time high for Bitcoin, it got up to, didn't it get up to 60,000 for the people?
Let's see. Yep, 68.
Mm.
But as you can see, as we talk about the volatility, you
Yep.
know what I'm saying? Let's split this in half. Came up, came down. I mean, even on the back end, watch this. You split it in half. Came up, came down, came up. It's just what it is, bro. It's actually really simple when you
Yeah.
simplify like that and just understand, okay, boop, it's done came up. Guess what? Now it's time to come down. So it will definitely be, in my opinion, be running this course down to at least maybe even lower. It may bounce. Yeah, it may bounce right here. You think the people gonna go crazy if it go down to 12 grand?
Oh, if it go down to 12 grand, oh man, everybody about to buy in, cash in, max out, maybe
Right.
pull, 12, put 12 in there. Yeah, definitely. It's gonna get crazy.
It's
Yeah,
gonna
man.
get crazy. That's what's up, then.
Sheeb and Doge is she more, I guess, compatible? Is it more consistent than Doge, or is it still like, are they like brother and sister? Like, what's the vibe? Are they like cousins, distant cousins? What's the
Right. I mean, in my opinion, it's like it's kind of like, just uh Doge named after a dog coin, a meme coin named after a dog, certain type of dog. So Sheeb came out, another certain type of dog. You know what I'm
other
saying?
one? I
Another meme
think it
coin,
starts
yeah.
with an F. It's a other coin.
Fuki or Fu, I don't know.
Yeah,
It's just too
Fuji.
many. I just can't. Yeah,
I've been
I
hearing
let,
about that. Yeah.
but yeah, that's what I'm saying. So it's like, realistically, can the average investor invest in all of that? All of that, like realistically, can you? Or no, if you do it, are you really gonna be concentrating on some other ones that have a lot better utility and are gonna last longer? You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, blinded by the madness. Yeah,
Right.
yeah,
So, you just got to be careful because every individual, what I'm saying, unless they're wealthy and rich, you only have a limited amount of budget that you can go in on. And because the budget already has the word limit on there, the possibilities of you taking it to the next tax bracket could be limited also. See what I'm saying? So spending excess money sometimes chasing certain coins, you just got to be real careful and make sure that, okay, you know what? I am going to buy coins, but all my coins are going to have utility. All my coins are going to have their own swap to where they're using that coin as the bloodline for the, what I'm saying, for the platform to make money, what I'm saying, off of transaction fees or whatnot. So then that's not a bad idea because you bought into utility. You're not
yeah,
just buying coins, you're buying utility.
yeah.
So,
Because
go ahead.
Elon, I think it's called Elon Musk or something like that. It shot up to 1,000 and then it dumped. I think probably some people, like y'all said, sometimes it jumps up.
It
A lot of
does.
people in there. Some people can't get out, and they get
And
you know
that's what it is. It's like,
negative.
you
You know what
get
I'm saying? They be
like
scratching. Fiend is like, yo, where's another coin? Hey, I lost
yeah,
50.
like
I lost 50. It's like,
right. And that's the thing, is like some of these coins, these rug pulls they call them, it's almost like musical chairs with the bread. You know what I'm saying? You get stuck without no chair.
mm,
You
crazy.
know what I'm saying? Straight up. So that's what, and that's the other reason why I like new coins. I like our segment of adding and talking about new coins because you never know. But we always just want to add that caveat of doing your due diligence and making sure that the coins have utility because there's a lot of them. There's definitely a lot of them. Anything else, brother?
Um, man, just a couple. I know Compound. I think that's a good one for the people. But yeah, I feel like she probably later in the year. What's your thoughts? Probably later, July, probably when it gets warmer, probably hitting starting March. Because I notice it's definitely a pattern, and definitely even with the stock market, it's
Right.
definitely a pattern.
No, definitely. I mean that right, and there it goes to answer your question. Pretty much it's gonna either be moving as one of the masses, because now you got to remember Sheev isn't where it was, where it got pumped up to be when it was going. Remember, she was like in the maybe like 2100s or something like that when it came to the ranking. You know what I'm saying? And then that pump put Sheev up there to where like, okay, boom, now you're in the top 14. So she may now move with the other top 14 when the other top 14 move versus moving kind of by itself and with the other DeFi coins when the DeFi coins were moving. See what I'm saying?
I know last February I definitely chose the right one, Voyager. You know, it came through. It went up a couple thousand, you know. So Voyager and also I think StormX. I think StormX and Voyager, they was both jumping like Jordan around the same time around that February last year. Yeah.
That's real. That's real.
Now you could buy Voyager on Coinbase. So I think they're trying to spread it around, try to spread the wealth around, hopefully. Voyager, yeah, it once, I think it was at $8. Let me check on my chart again.
Voyager token.
Yeah,
now $2.
dollars.
Yeah,
Damn it.
$2.11. But that's a good. But I mean, in a sense, though, once again, that's in my opinion, that's a good buy because hopefully it'll come up.
2017 or 2018, it was like at $10. Two now.
Yeah, but shoot, that's the time to buy.
Oh yeah.
That's the time.
Mo. I'm about to give me some more now.
Right. Well, now you see this. You see this long wick right here.
Yeah.
We may have a little bit more to go.
Mm.
We may have a little bit more to go.
Mm.
We may have a little bit more to go.
Now, what you mean?
Meaning that it may go down some more.
Mm.
We gotta look at this wick. I'm gonna draw because this particular, I'm on a 3-hour chart. This particular wick right here on November the 22nd of last year, I just want to check the information on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put and as I keep okay. So for 30 minutes, that thing was down. So I'm just pulling it over. I'm just seeing what it's really telling me and seeing if we, do we have to go do we need to go this far down? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we may. It just really all depends. So now those 3 hours are going to be broke up into increments of. Trying to find where my square went. That's why I had to put a square around it because, as you can see, you start breaking these things up into smaller time frames. So many more candles, of course, start popping up.
That's crazy. You break it down in 5 minutes. That's crazy.
Yeah. So for some reason, my whole square that I put in disappeared when it went that small, but I don't know what happened to that. But yeah, oh, there it goes. It's back. So I don't know. For some reason, it's not showing on the 5 minute, which is really strange. But yeah, this just kind of doesn't scare me or worry me because it just lets me know at the end of the day, the price of this asset could go back down to like 90, 96 cents. Oh, there go my number, 963. So 96 cents, you know what I'm saying? So that's dope to know that, you know what I'm saying, and then get the opportunity to cash in on that and take advantage of it. So, you know, of course, if a person's already in it, they're not happy to hear that. And that's how, you know, that's why we educate ourselves. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That's why we educate ourselves. Because the dope part is in a sense, like I have been breaking stuff down like into like halves. Like what's gonna happen? No, I don't want that. So at some point in time, this is gonna happen. See what I'm saying? I don't want to connect it. I can connect it. I can connect it right here, but it's gonna go down some more. See what I'm saying? In my opinion. But in a sense, that's what it's gonna do. It's gonna round itself right back, and then it's gonna start working its way right back up.
Mm.
Yep. And it's actually gonna stop. As it starts going up here, it's gonna stop because it's gonna stop right here because of right here. So
Mm.
it sometimes is almost like they're identical. It's gonna stop because of that. It's gonna stop on the back end going right here because of right here. You see
Mm.
what I'm saying? Yeah, it's not a coincidence that this is touching. See what I'm
Look
saying?
like look like the estimate saying possibly around close to April. Look like, you know, it's gonna be at the highest, and then the start is gonna be around probably close to February. The
I
jump.
wouldn't be surprised.
Yeah. Mm.
But good
Once again,
investors
like February is where it started for me last year. Like, dang, this is crazy.
started going up, right? And that's
Thousand.
why right now is these last couple of days of allowing it to go down and be patient because, like you say, when February comes, which as a lot of these assets that we go through, they're looking like they're real close to being all the way going all the way down where they're going to go, which is going to take these next couple of weeks. Hence, we're at the end of January. We'll be at February not too soon. You know what I'm saying? Boom, and it's gonna drop down a little bit more. Then it's gonna pop up. And when it pops down here, this is where I'm buying in at on all of them. See what
Mm.
I'm saying? So,
Yeah.
but yeah,
This one I just found. I guess this will be the last one. It's called shipping. Look like if you checked it out around 2019 till
you
around,
said Shippy.
it's called I'll spell it out for you. Yeah, it's called like shipping. So SHPING. I don't know if you found it or you could find it, but yeah.
Two P's.
So instead of the I, you could take the I out, and then you should find it maybe that way. PING.
Okay, I see it.
Yeah, look like close to like somewhat today, you know, or yesterday, you know, about 11,000% it jumped up. Supposedly around 2019 would have been a good time to shoot, even 2020 would have been a good time.
Mm,
It looked like you can only buy it through a Coinbase wallet for the people. So Coinbase wallet, I really only had one purchase in Coinbase wallet right now. I think it's Cosmos or XO, that stock. But yeah,
okay, okay. Nah, what is it? You know me, you know my question. What does it do?
dude,
What does it do?
supply is not available. Ooh, let's see.
Okay, crypto, right? Okay, like no shipping exchanges. I do see Coinbase. Okay. So yeah, definitely wanna with my free time go into and find more about it because sometimes, you know, the information is very vague.
Yeah.
So I don't know what this is. So is it a coin? Also, see if like this particular coin has its own site.
Mm.
See what I'm saying? That's big also.
Oh yeah.
Boom, shipping doc. You know what I'm saying? Because they should be trying to explain on the site what it does, if it does something. See what I'm saying? Users on crypto. Say shipping app uses our own crypto. No, we're good. We don't want to chat. We don't want to chat. Chat. Okay, there we go. All right, it says shipping app uses own cryptocurrency shipping coin to help brands reward customers for their engagement and loyalty. It all starts by scanning a barcode, and then the user can get rewards for watching videos, writing product reviews, connecting with brands, and scanning purchase receipts. Okay, that's dope. The coin can also be bought and sold via exchanges, and you can cash out your shipping coin earnings via the mobile app. Okay, all right. I like that. That's utility.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying? And
Flow is a good one too. I think Flow could be possibly $40 one day. I think.
he said flow.
Called Flow. Yep.
Okay, perfect. All right. So we're probably gonna have some people pop in really soon because the meeting starts around about 7:30 for the Zoom for the round table for the chart. Yeah, we're going over some candle charts and candle bars and candle wicks and bodies. Teach the fam how to, you know what I'm saying, be able to read the charts. So could be some people pop in. So we're gonna shut it down we're gonna shut it down after this one. And so I can stop the recording. But yeah, I like this right here. What is flow?
Yeah, Flow.
Okay, game app, digital assets, power
Yeah,
them.
yeah, NBA Top Shot. So I just seen it. Durant, he got an NFT, and then I was checking out, and then also that wallet, Deppy wallet or Depper wallet. That wallet
Right.
is what was mentioned while I was checking out, and then I also mentioned Flow. So it's definitely connected. NFT is NFT connected. So
Right.
yeah, you know, I had
Okay.
a chance. Yeah, so yeah, it
I'm
could.
about to keep that one in mind. I'm about
I
to
think
keep
you
that
can
one
get
in
it
mind.
on you can actually get it on crypto.com now. And
Oh, that's dope. I definitely like that I can see it
oh yeah.
um on tradingview.com. I try not to buy anything that I can't see on tradingview.com. I know
Oh,
that's a crazy rule, but it allows me to see my asset. You know what I'm saying? Some of these assets, they're not on tradingview.com. And it's like, damn, like you're not
and
on tradingview.com.
they liabilities in. You
Their
can't see it.
liabilities to be like
Can't
because
trust them, bro.
tradingview.com got like everybody on here.
Can't
It's
trust
got
them.
crypto, stocks, forex, commodities. Like, you know what I'm saying? You ain't on here, you kind of like ain't really it yet. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? So, but nah, that's just my way of thinking. But hey man, I appreciate you coming on today, brother, bringing some
Yeah,
new
definitely,
coins to the fam. You know what I'm saying? And explaining them, talking about them, and giving your opinion, man. That's dope. And just keeping that financial literacy going, always having something to talk about that's gonna make us some money and have some value. I appreciate that, Conscious said. I really
yeah,
do. Hey man, another great one, man. And like
definitely.
I say, probably be doing this thing again next week, man. Let's just keep it going for sure.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, man. For the minds only, we got a lot of content on my page. We talking
Yes,
a lot of
yeah,
crypto talk. Yeah, man.
definitely,
Yeah,
definitely.
man. Definitely appreciate you always, man. And definitely, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, this is this is a partnership. This is definitely a fellowship. This is a brotherhood community. Definitely part of Conscious a crazy movement. And definitely I love the round table movement y'all got going. And definitely, man, love it. Yeah.
That's where we finna start another meeting for the roundtable right now, going over charts. So if you want to stay,
Joining in.
you can
I'll be in
stay
there.
on. All right, I'm just finna stop the recording, man. Peace, brother.
Peace.